Dutty and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
No something. Bag along talking. No something.
Yo. Fine voice.
Yo, hold on, Dutty.
Yeah.
Dutty, hold on, Dutty. Yo, Dutty, hold on.
How we had to cook?
Yo, hold on.
Yeah. I cook you around there.
Hold on, Dutty. Yo, hold on.
I cook you. Cook around there. Cook.
Yo, hold on,
Yo, fine voice. I cook you. Yo, fine voice.
What going?
How we had to...
Ends out. I don't know what going.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
So I can run a boat now.
You have money?
No.
You have flour? Yeah, the cooking can't go on, man.
So you have outside have no flour?
Yeah, go on, man. That's when I wear a pink pants scorpion. Yeah, what?
This will come for sure, you still, you know? I'm pretty dog.
Yo!
Yeah.
My lord!
Yeah, man.
You know swag one, my lord?
Yeah, dog. Pretty.
Dog, you're pretty still in love, but you know swag one? 100 grand, forget about a dog, you start like somebody hold him.
Where that there?
Yeah, you know say it, man, 100 grand. That's so much for them dog, yeah.
I have an idea, you know.
Yeah, what that?
If we take one dog like this, you know, kidnap him, we make them pay if we bring him back.
Yo, my lord.
Yeah. And they would have shared the money. 15% for me, and 75% for you.
Hey, boy, how you get 75%? Hey, boy, I'll be trying to me, though. Take me that phone, hey, boy, man, we are doing, boy. If you share 50-50.
All right.
I mean, wireless.
All right.
Hey, boy, I'm going on my boy.
All right.
Go deal lit, man.
So I'm going to kidnap him, yeah?
Yeah, man, get a box.
All right.
Yeah.
Man. So
100
later.
grand, my lord.
Yeah, the dog, yeah.
You can buy a house.
Yeah.
And a washing machine. Chug, puff, the liquor train rumbled over the track.
Yo! Fine voice! Get him!
Yo, not the voice!
Yeah!
Yo, you got it!
Yes, fine voice! In there!
You got the box?
Yeah!
Oh, my lord! Yo, mad! Secret 7K! Yo, go on! Hey, go on! Big room! But, sir! Yo, forward!
Yeah, let me make sure I get, you know, I put them around in there, so.
But not see where you come in?
No. Yeah, man, I get all them number.
Number, my lord?
Yeah, so we can call them.
You're rich with 7H!
Yeah, you see me?
Yo!
You wash?
Yeah, no, bad man, I wash.
Oh. So, and you wash your tights, eh?
Yo, mister, me not wash. Yo, Yo.
Alright. Hello. Yeah, we have your dog.
Tell them 100 grand.
100 grand back for your dog. Hello. Them hang up.
Let them cut it down.
Okay, them cut it down.
Yo, call them back.
Wait,
Tell them 75.
Hello. 75,000 if you want to see back your dog.
Yeah, 75.
Yeah. Hello. That credit done again.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, that's
Yo, home to them people.
Hold on, I call him one more time. I call
Yo, them rich people in the mall, I'm putting a credit on them phone, I'm having rich, dog.
I call him.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Tell them 50.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
50,000 if you want to see it. Them credit done already.
Yo, hold on, give me the number.
See it right there.
Yo, give me the number.
Where you go do? See it
Yo, give me the number.
See it there. Where you do?
Yo, send some credit to them phone. Yo,
Yeah.
I'm rich as this, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, send them $25.
All right.
All right, I hit that.
How much you have?
Yo, call them back now.
All right. Yeah.
Rich, you know.
Read that, yeah. You must have credit for that, no. So it's a ring, it's a
Tell them
ring.
25.
Yeah, it's a ring. Yeah, hello. 25,000 if you want back your dog. Hold on, talk to the boss.
Yo, 25 grand for forget back your dog. Hello? Yo, I mean Otis. You're the boss. You're the boss. You're the daughter. Yo, Wallace. Yo, talk to the let me call me your daughter. Come on, this.
Yo, this the boss.
This, man, this, man.
Oh, yeah, this the boss.
Tell him 5 grand, 5 grand.
5 grand if you want back your dog, all right? Hit that. Take it and leave it.
5 grand straight with 70. What?
What if you do?
What?
I'm saying if you keep him.
Yeah, keep what? Yo, man, go for that. You caught me. You caught me, man. Hey, yo. What am I do? Who have money? Bring the dog come.
Yeah. Shit, man.
Rich dog, yeah.
Shit, man.
Yo, what that?
The dog.
Yo, man, I'm tell you, Bogle. Shit, so. Love song for you, babes. Here. Anana, ew. Soup bone. Ew. Chicken foot. You like it? Yeah, what?
Look how long people out here, sir.
Sour.
I better we there more beer. I do the lot of scrambling and Like you know, big house, a foreign money.
I'm prison. Yeah, I can't bother to eat that thing with you in a star. You coming like Carl Lewis. Nobody not like you. The works me set up and you spoil it. Right now I feel like changing my name.
Sure, you know. I can have a hot skull brethren and I have a wicked name. Yeah. Popcorn. See, but I changed my name to Cotton Candy.
I may call myself Popsicle. Eh? Yeah. Cotton Candy, what kind of hot skull name that? You hear that? You know why I'm still a power with you. Look how much thing we got through. Can you get you? I can get you.
Next.
Yeah, we're not Popsicle.
Nobody going there to call me that in a phone. Alright, forward. Yeah, that's it.
Gentlemen, this is your attire for the interview? You're not serious. And why the both of you come in the same time? You are twins?
We work together.
Yeah. I'm a dog.
I will not have no more clothes. So one time we see something on one line.
Yo. We do all kind of security work. We work in our area. We are the area security. Like we run things.
Yeah. Well, in this job, you're going to be working with trained dogs. You have any dog experience?
Yeah, him.
Yes, Mr. R-O-T.
Yeah, rat wheeler.
Wheeler, yeah. Yes, Mr. Rat. I want time we teach some dog.
We have all kind of dog. We have dog experience. Cause we have all poodle.
Well, that's good. Good. Well, at Dogsman Security Company, every member of the team have to know how to communicate with the dog. You know how to make a dog sound, like a good security dog sound?
Yeah. Woof.
You? Next!
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright,
me?
thanks for watching IT.
Fancy cat.